Hi, I'm Elliot, and today I present to you the TC125 G2, RUBI's electric tile saw for large format wet and dry cutting. In order to use the TC125 G2, you'll need the guide set. But if you already have the Slim Cutter G2, then you already have this and you don't need to buy it. The TC125 G2 guide kit comes with two guides of 155 centimeters and another guide of 65 centimeters. And if you put them together and you account for the space needed for the machine to enter and come off of the tile, you are left with a cutting capacity of 320 centimeters. But you can always make this longer by adding more guides, which can be connected for as long of a cutting length as you want. The kit also comes with two suction cups made of high quality rubber and two vices, and all of this holds the guide system firmly in place so that your cut comes out exactly the way you plan for it to. And it comes with this little Allen wrench so that you can put together and take apart the guides easily. The TC125 G2 comes included with these measuring guides that tell you exactly where the blade is going to make contact with the tile. You slide it onto the guide. You measure what you want to cut. In this case, we're going to cut 10 centimeters. And as you can see, the guide has indicated for us exactly where the blade is going to make contact with the tile. The measuring guide has two different lines on it that indicate to you where the blade will be making contact at a 90-degree or straight cut and a 45-degree or miter cut. The head or the machine of the TC125 comes equipped with the plunge effect so that you can adjust the depth of your cut. It also has an angle adjuster so that you can cut up to 45 degrees. And it also has these rollers, which guarantee that the machine slides as smoothly as possible along the guides, getting you the best possible cut that it can. And it has two systems for controlling dust. You have via a vacuum connector or via a hose connector for wet cutting. And the length of the longer guides allows us to cut 120 centimeter formats without actually putting any of the guides together. That's our video on the TC125 G2. If you have any comments or questions, you can contact us via our social media or our website, rubi.com, and we will see you at the next video.